enlarge the given shape, so that's shape, the triangle ABC, by a scale factor of 2 about the point 3, 1. Then we've got to label the image, give the coordinates for each new point. So let's first of all find the center of enlargement, and that's this bit, because we have to enlarge by a scale factor of 2 about the point, right, 3, 1. So this 3, 1 is our center of enlargement. So let's find that. 3, 1 is here, and that's the center of enlargement. Okay, so now we go through the process of enlarging this shape, and we do that point by point. We always start at the center of enlargement, and I go and I find out how to get to each point, and then I just repeat the appropriate number of times. So this is how it plays out. I start at the center of enlargement, and I'm going to go to A. How do I get to A? Well, you do your x-axis move first, and then your y-axis move, right? So to get to A, I go across 1, and then I go up 1, 2, 3. So that's a scale factor of 1. If I repeat it, it'll be a scale factor of 2. So again, I'll go across 1, and then up 1, 2, 3, and that right there is the point of A dash. Okay, what about B? Okay, so I go across 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. That's scale factor 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. And that is scale factor 2. And this is point B dash. And the last movement I need to make is to get to point C. So again, I go across, and I just count from the center of enlargement. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's scale factor 1. Once more, scale factor 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so this is the point C dash. To finish this off, one of the last tasks is to draw the image. So that's that point. I've already labeled the image, A dash, B dash, and C dash. And the final thing that I really need to do is give the coordinates for A dash, B dash, and C dash. So I can just write it right next to those points. So A dash is 1, 7. So write that down. B dash is -5, 3. Okay, and C dash is -5, -7. Finished.